Hey there guys, in this video let us see a tool called Passive Traffic Analyzer, and it is also called as p0f, and remember it is not p0f, it is p0f, and this tool is mostly used for passive reconnaissance, and this tool finds the operating system and the service it is using. So it is pretty much very easy to work with this tool, and also I have written a blog post on this tool on how to work with this tool and what is p0f tool. And remember it is p0f, not p0f. Okay, and have given some of the features. So this blog post link will be in the description box below, so do check it out. So to use this tool, firstly you have to compromise the target network using the aircrack-ng, and also I've made a video on the I have made a video on the aircrack-ng, I don't know, but anyways, I have written a blog post on the aircrack-ng. You can just go to the wireless attacks, and yeah, my network is really very slow. I don't know why. It's because I'm using the Brave browser, I guess. So if you just go to the wireless attack, you can choose what tool you would like to use. So I will prefer the aircrack-ng for compromising the Wi-Fi networks. So it is pretty much very easy to use the aircrack-ng. So you can just take a look, and I have given a simple instruction on how to do. Yeah, I have made a video also. So once you have compromised, you can just open your Kali machine and just open your terminal, and also in the application menu you can find this tool p0f, so you can find it here. So let me open this tool. So let's enter p0f and -i. So in my case I'm just entering the Ethernet 0 because I didn't compromise any wireless networks. So if you have compromised the target network, you will be probably entering the wireless network 0, or whatever the wireless network, you can mention them. So in this case I will just enter Ethernet 0 and just give enter. So it is asking permissions, so let me enter sudo and enter the password. Yes. Now once the target goes and open the browsers, and if you do some searches, the next minute you can find the operating system and the service it is running, and you will be seeing tons of information loaded in your terminal. So let me show that. So I have opened my web browser. So as soon as I open my web browser, you can see it have given many information. So let me go all the way up. So we can see that it has given the operating system. We can see that the operating system it is guessing. It didn't give a proper operating system. It said that it is between 2.2.x to 3.x, and also it has given many other information such as the service and the server, and also it has mentioned some of the ports. Yes, so basically the p0f tool just gives you information related to the operating system, and this tool is only used for passive information gathering. And that's it about the p0f tool. So you can just try with your Kali machine, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And do check out my blog post on what is p0f tool. So that blog post link will be in the description box below. So I think this video will be helpful for you guys. So make sure you give a like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video guys.